Capital One Savor pricing explained what you get for your money. The Capital One Savor card comes with an annual fee, but its reward structure is perfect for dining and entertainment lovers. Most people get this wrong. They think cashback cards are one size fits all. The surprising truth is that Savor's high rewards on food and entertainment can quickly outweigh the annual fee. Cardholders earn 4% cash back on dining, 4% on entertainment, 3% on grocery stores and 1% on all other purchases. You won't believe how much you can earn if you regularly dine out, go to concerts, or enjoy movies and events. For example, zero in dining and entertainment monthly earns back each month were annually. New users can also earn a cash bonus after spending zero in the first 3 months, adding immediate value. Additional benefits include no foreign transaction fees, travel accident insurance and purchase protection. While it's not designed for extensive travel rewards, the card's focus on food and entertainment makes it a standout for lifestyle spending. In conclusion, the Capital One Savor card's fee is easily justified for those who spend heavily on dining and entertainment. With high cashback rates and a generous welcome bonus, this card offers strong value for the right audience.